Above our heads, thousands of silent machines orbit the Earth. They guide airplanes, connect phones, forecast weather, and even bring us live sports from across the world. But it all began with a single, beeping metal sphere, a tiny object that changed history forever. This is the story of how humanity invented the satellite and how it connected our world. Before satellites, long-distance communication was a struggle. Messages traveled by radio waves, which bounced off the atmosphere, but signals were weak, unreliable, and often distorted. Scientists dreamed of placing a transmitter high above the Earth, one that could relay signals anywhere on the planet. In 1945, science fiction writer Arthur C. Clarke proposed an idea: a network of space-based communication stations orbiting Earth. At the time, it sounded like fantasy. But just 12 years later, that fantasy became real. On October 4, 1957, the world held its breath. The Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite ever to orbit Earth. It was a polished metal sphere, just 58 centimeters wide, sending out a simple beep beep beep. Those beeps marked the dawn of the space age. For the first time, humanity had placed a man-made object in space. The achievement shocked the world, especially the United States, and ignited the space race. Soon after Sputnik, other countries joined the race. In 1958, the United States launched Explorer 1, discovering Earth's radiation belts. Then came the real communication breakthrough, Telstar 1, launched in 1962. Telstar was the world's first active communication satellite, capable of relaying live TV signals between continents. For the first time in history, people in America could watch events happening live in Europe, all thanks to a satellite orbiting thousands of miles above. So how do satellites actually work? A satellite orbits the Earth at incredible speeds, over 28,000 kilometers per hour. It receives radio or digital signals from one point on Earth and transmits them to another. Different satellites serve different purposes. Communication satellites send data, internet, and TV signals. Weather satellites track storms and climate. GPS satellites guide navigation worldwide. All are powered by solar panels and controlled from ground stations below. Satellites revolutionized modern life. They made international communication instant, helped predict hurricanes, and enabled global navigation through GPS. Today, over 9,000 active satellites orbit the Earth, connecting billions of people every second. From your phone's GPS to your TV signal, satellites are working silently above you every day. The future of satellites is brighter and busier than ever. Companies like SpaceX, Amazon, and OneWeb are launching mega-constellations, thousands of satellites, providing global internet coverage. Meanwhile, scientists are sending satellites beyond Earth to explore Mars, Jupiter, and the edge of our solar system. What began with a beeping metal sphere has become the nervous system of our digital planet. The invention of the satellite changed how we live, learn, and connect. From the birth of global communication to the exploration of deep space, these silent guardians remind us how far human curiosity can reach. We didn't just look up at the stars, we joined them. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into space technology, please hit that subscribe button for more science and tech documentaries. We'll see you in the next one.